So now we hooked up the Super Joey down there. I don't plug the power in until after I've hooked the coax up outside. So all you got is power cord, coax, and HDMI. And that's on HDMI 1. And it'll do starting up. And then it'll start the download from the hopper. So I plugged in the hopper, did all the download, and then activated the whole account with all the boxes. And once I had programming on the hopper, then I go outside and I plug in the client side, and then I come in and power up these. And as you can see, it's discovering right there. So we want that to turn green and say downloading. Then we know we're hooked up. Minutes. So we're back to downloading now, even though the account is active and all the boxes are in the account and the hopper's down there. So it just clicked on. It's now discovered and downloading. So it'll do that. And what I'll do is go in and plug in the Joey and get it to this point, and I'll bounce back and forth between the two rooms. %, it always hangs. I got one red block there, downloading software. And then it'll reboot and it'll come back and you'll have the whole onslaught of them there, as you'll see. So the Joey boots up just like this one does. No difference between the Super Joey and the Joey, except the Super Joey requires you to run a third line from the dish and has 2 tuners that to the system. So it's now receivers now being programmed. Don't unplug or disturb it. This will go on for quite a while, and then it'll come up and it'll have connectivity and program your remote to your TV and all that. Once you get through all that, then you'll have picture. So this takes 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go work on the Joey. So the Super Joey downloaded software, and then it finds signal, so it's doing a test of 4, up to 4 orbital locations. And then it comes up with just like that. So this is exactly how they all start up, like the hopper. So we'll run through it.